Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to Motivational Monday. Just want to make sure that everything is working here correctly. If you can hear me and see me, please say hi. Please say good morning in the comment section down below. Let me know where you're watching from. I hope everybody's having a good Monday morning today. For those of you not familiar with Motivational Monday, what we do is we have a motivational message just to start the week, just to get on parang the right foot for the coming week. And hopefully this is a message na you can bring with you throughout the rest of the week na araw-araw maalaala nyo yung message na to. And yeah, our message today is entitled Do What You Have to Do, okay? Do what you have to do. So yes, if you can hear me and if you can see me, please say hi, please say good morning in the comment section down below. I'm over here streaming from Cebu City naman as usual. So yun, just want to make sure everything is okay over here. Ayan, 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 okay. Just making sure all the... Can you guys hear me properly? Because I'm using the headset naman. Just want to make sure that you guys can hear me properly. Okay, ayan. All right. Okay, ayan, hello. Good morning, Eunice. Good morning, Isabella. Hello, Kim. Nice, nice. So we're streaming properly over here. So yes, it's Monday motivation. Are you guys ready to get motivated this Monday morning? Hopefully, you guys start. We're starting the week right. We're starting the week strong, and yun, starting the week. Well, hindi naman early, pero hindi na early ngayon, pero you want to start the week early. You want to start the week correct, diba? So that throughout the rest of the week, we're going to be motivated. We're going to be able to do what we need to do. And hello, Yvette. Hello, Reg. Hello, Jazzy. Hello, Riza. Good morning. Good morning. Nice. Thank you guys for joining us this Monday morning. Ayan. So we're gonna get one more minute and let's get on para 10:05 tayo mag-start. One more minute and let's get started with today's message. Okay? We'll get started with today's message. Do what you have to do. That's the title of our message today. Yan, hello Josie, hello Aaron. Ayan, we have a lot of people. Aaron's ready to get motivated. Yung iba, are you ready to be motivated today? Hopefully naman ma-motivate kayo sa message ngayon. Ma-motivate kayo or ma-inspire kayo to do what you need to do what you have to do. Okay. All right, so let's jump right into today's message. So, I'll ask you, do you know a successful person who started out successful? Kahit wala siyang ginawa, they didn't do anything. Successfulness la agad. Do you know anybody who was like that? May kilala ba kayong ganun na parang wala silang ginawa, successfulness la agad? Well, if none, then it's because most successful people started out with nothing or just a little. They start out with little. Those are the stories that we hear of, right? For example, Oprah Winfrey, may natin yung example. She started out with nothing. She was jobless at the age of 23. Wala siyang trabaho, 23 years old. She was technically a nobody at that time. Walang nakakilala kay Oprah when she was 23 years old. But all the hard times she experienced, it made her tough. It made her hungry to achieve her goals. It made her hungry to become successful. She did what she thought had to be done to achieve that goal. Okay. What she did is she worked day and night. She worked with persistence, she worked with consistency, and soon she became, di ba ngayon, she's the undisputed queen of television talk shows, and she was the richest African American and is known as one of the most powerful women. That's what she was able to achieve. Na isipin mo at 23 wala siyang trabaho, she was nobody at 23 years old. Pero right now, ayun, everybody knows who Oprah is, 'di ba? Undisputed queen of TV talk shows siya. She is someone who can do whatever she wants to do. Ngayon, 'di ba? Ang dami niyang pera ngayon. She can do whatever she wants to do. She can live the life that she wants to have, right? And if we relate it to freelancing, right? Just like in freelancing, when you start, we start as nobody. We start jobless, diba? We start as wala, right? You won't get you won't get rich quickly. Okay? It takes hard work. You need to study, you need to submit cover letters, you need to go through interviews, you need to get rejected, and sometimes you get ghosted pa sa client, 'di ba? But just stay persistent. Use those rejections, those mga rejections as learning experiences to be better next time, to on our next attempts to do a better job on our next attempts and stay consistent. In no time, you'll find yourself living the life that you want and doing the things that you want to do. So I want you to challenge yourself. Okay, I want you to challenge yourself. Will you be willing to do all the things you have to do in order to achieve your goals? The success that you want for yourself, yung mga goals mo for your family, yung lifestyle that you dream of. Are you willing to do all the things that you have to do? Right? Are you willing to do that? Kasi mahirap, 'di ba? Mahirap. There are challenges, there are struggles, pero it's achievable. But you have to do those things. You have to face those challenges. If yes, then you can write it down. Write down the goal that you want. Write down the life that you want or want to have or the things that you want to do. And then list what you have to do to achieve all of those things. Post it somewhere. Write it down. Put it somewhere where you can see it. Or maybe you'll have a buddy who will remind you na, oh, ito yung dapat mong gawin. And always remember, do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. Okay? Do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. Okay? Ito yung commitment natin ngayon. This is a commitment. You can write it in the comment section if this is something you're committing to do. I will do what I have to do. Okay? I will do what I have to do. Simple lang. I will do what I have to do. Okay, some reminders. Oh, parang naputol yung naputol yung connection. Hello, hello. Okay. Some reminders now that I have you here. Later at 6 p.m. there is a flip chat and chill session. Yung pangalan night shift, no problem. How online freelancers serve clients from the other side of the planet. Okay, that's later at 6 p.m. With Anna, Phoenix, and special guests. And on Wednesday, we have an interview with Anna Soriano. Our coach Anna Soriano is going to be interviewed. Viewed frustrated CPA turns to freelancing to build a fulfilling family life. That's this Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. And on Saturday, we have a flip upskill webinar. This is a paid webinar. It's 99 pesos. We'll be releasing the link on how you can register for this later. It's a 99 peso webinar. The topic is how to be a podcast virtual assistant. And Honey Eduque will be sharing her expertise on being a podcast virtual assistant. That's on this Saturday at 7 to 9 p.m. Ayan. Okay, so if we'll make that commitment. I will do what I have to do. Type that in the comment section and to make that commitment, not to me, not to others, but to yourself. Let's see, sino bang who's made the commitment here. Ayan. Nagtanong si Rinelin, sana po yung training. Member na po ako sa VA Ay. Go here first. freevacourse.com. Ayan, tanong about the training. Sige. Yes, yes. Sabi ni Jassy, yes. Eunice, yes. Good morning, Micah. Hello, Wilma from mga taga Cebu. Janine from Tagum. Oh, failure is the beginning of success. Oh, Josie, I will do what I have to do. Kates. Yes. Gibaga. Rublin. Eunice. Naghanga. Ayan, ayan. Sorry guys, we're having some technical issues. Hindi ko alam bakit naghahang. Pero I hope you guys were able to get this message. If not, then nasa replay naman. And even if you're watching the replay, make that commitment. I will do what I have to do. And hope to see you in our sessions this week, this Flip Chat and Chill later, our Just Success on Wednesday, and of course our Flip Upscale webinar on Saturday. This is a paid webinar. It's 2 hours. It's very informative. A paid webinar, and we'll be releasing the link later in the Flip group on how you can join it. All right, thank you guys for staying on, and have a great rest of the week. Bye bye.